In number 1, it says 4 arrays have a common endpoint on a line. Set up and solve the equation to find the value of C. To first find the value of C, we have to find D. D and that 59-degree angle create a right angle, which is 90 degrees. You see this little square in the corner, which represents a 90-degree angle. To solve for D, we subtract from both sides, and D is equal to 31 degrees. So now we can see that there is a straight angle created here with the 140C and angle D. So 31 plus D plus 140 equals 180 degrees because a straight angle is 180 degrees. When we combine our like terms, we get D plus 171 equals 180. Then we subtract from both sides. And D is equal to 9. Or sorry, C. I've labeled that with the wrong one. It should say C there. Sorry. C is equal to 9. We already found D was equal to 31. C equals 9.